So earlier today, I had a call with Blessing. Blessing was to write a business plan that she was supposed to submit for funding. And I asked her, what are your goals for this business? Interestingly, she couldn't express her goal specifically, and that got me offended. There are several blessings out there that needs to hear this. Maybe you are like Blessing. Today, we are looking at a very important aspect of business planning, which is setting smart goals. I guess you know what SMART is. Of course, I look smart. But in this context, SMART means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Now, let's look at how all of this fits together in a business plan. Specific simply means having a clear and well-defined goal. Say, for instance, rather than saying, I want to increase my sales. No, you could say something like, increase online sales by 20% in the first quarter of 2024. As displayed on the screen, M means measurable. This simply means that you should be able to track your goal and track your progress. You should be able to know when you have achieved this goal. Say, for instance, your goal is to make your customer happier. You can do some survey, send out some questionnaire to know how well you are doing as far as this goal is concerned per time. Moving on to achievable. Your goal should be attainable and realistic. Yes, it is important to set goals that stretch you, but then, Blessing, set goals that are attainable, that are achievable. For instance, if as a small startup, you own a barbing salon and your goal is to have a valuation of $1 billion within the first year you started your business, that, my friend, is not achievable. Now let's move to relevance. Your goal should be something that contributes to the total development of the organization. It should be something that is very, very important, that brings about growth in your business. Lastly, we have time bound. This simply means that your goal should have a specific time you want to complete it, a specific time of completion. Now, this simply creates a sense of urgency. It helps you to know what to be done per time. So, Blessing, setting smart goals is very, very important. It helps you to still focus. It is the roadmap that you need to achieve that your dream business that you so desire. It helps you to achieve your business objective per time, as it helps you to know what is expected to be done at every point in time. Thank you for watching. I believe that with this Blessing and every other blessing out there knows the right step to take. I hope you find this helpful. Do well to follow us on all social media platforms as displayed on the screen. See you in the next episode.